Hello there, Dr. Goldsmith here with a new, fresh post-op total knee patient. Darlene is about 3 weeks out. Actually, it's exactly almost 3 weeks out from the knee replacement. Doing very nicely. Tell me about your motion before surgery compared to after surgery, only 3 weeks out.
Mostly I was bow-legged, and I had a lot of pain when I bent over or did any activity.
And now?
Now I don't have any pain at all, and I can still do the motions.
Let's see, make that all the way straight for us. Can you do that? Oh, wow. That's pretty darn good sitting like that 3 weeks out. And then can you bend it for us as well? Wow. That's great. So we know your motion is going to even get better as you continue your therapy. And then you said it was crooked and it was painful, and now it is not painful and straight.
Right. That's right.
Excellent, excellent. And how much pain medication did you have to take after surgery?
All I did was follow the chart that they gave me to take, and I had no pain.
That's fantastic. And now therapy-wise, are you doing it on your own, or are you going to formal therapy? Or?
I'm going to formal therapy.
Excellent. How's that going?
Good.
Yeah, they're treating you nicely?
Oh yeah, they're real nice.
Excellent. Well, we wish you continued success on your journey. You're doing incredibly well. Remember, this is a several month, if not longer, process to heal, so keep working hard.
Okay. Thank you.
Another happy Jiffy patient.